Good evening. Gai mai ting jin.
Ngài mày tinh gì?
Gai liang mai ting jin.
Ngài mày tinh gì?
Jeling rong.
Hello.
Jeling rong.
Hello.
I stand here to thank the God of Jeling Rong people who created the students of Jeling Rong people, guided, protected, and leading for the past 75 years. Thank you, the chairpersons of this evening's program, the Central Organizing Committee members of the Jeling Rong Student Union Conference here and the Jubilee celebration, the President and the executive members of the Old Jeling Rong Student Union, Stephen and his colleagues, Apauning Thaudai, the President of Jeling Rong Baudi, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Sir Ilu Indang, the former General Secretary of Naga Hoho and also former Student Union of Jeling Rong's leader, our Apau Sir Brother Meru, the former President of All Jeling Rong Student Union, Pastor Apau Sabui Liang Niaumai, Associate Pastor of Old Tausiam Baptist Church, our respected guest of honor, Sir Paul Nangsha, MCS, the SDO of Tausiam subdivision here, all the dignitaries in the dais, and dear my students who are gathered here. Kumna Tausiam make a guai, apai guai, anai guai, akai nao guai, sai ting zin guang kadoi mai ragwang tung zan kau. Jeling Rong tutu mai hai. Aniu bam sina. Jeling Rong tu khâu tu na guang kadoi mi tuang phuam hing. Bam sina Jeling Rong tu na kau khâu tu na guang kariu mi tuang organization ra magai. Jeling Rong kualaga tribe, that tribe is formed not because we have nothing to do, and let us establish one tribe called Jeling Rong. We have nothing to do, so let us try to build an organization called Jeling Rong. It is not that way. Let the 75 years platinum celebration jubilee of all Jeling Rong Student Union here in Tausiam, let this voice echoes from here to all the Jeling Rong people living in Assam, Manipur and in Nagaland. That Jeling Rong organization is formed not because we have nothing to do, but God Almighty created the Jmei, the Liangmei and the Ruangmei as one, not as separate, as one. Those who break this, the creation of the divine, will not last. Today Europe was a big country. After the Second World War, these Europeans started fighting each other. They want to become small. Ketit Europe Europe habak Second World War ta. Ketit Slovakia, Slovenian, Czech Republic, Austria, Vienna, all divided. German. Then they realized that, wow, something went wrong. We cannot defeat the American dollar. So let us all come together again and let us have one currency called euro. This is how Europe came back together. Do you know? The students, one of the persons who built Europe today, his name is Juan Monet. This Juan Monet was a philosopher, a political visionary, and a diplomat. Kamairi akum rasalowo. Nothing is possible without human on earth. Nothing is possible without human on earth. And nothing is lasting without an institutions on earth. Everything that you see in the world is created, existed first in the human mind. Today you see beautiful cities. If you go to South Korea, especially in Incheon city, the city was built in 30 years, which is not possible in India, of course. So everything existed in the world, existed in the human brain, mind, vision first. Therefore, I would like to request to the students gathered here, kung na apoy guay, tausiam ko ba may guay, kawang kadoy ba may guay, tagkariyan lo ni mito. Ram guay na, kandi ko na ba may kagway na hay. Mansay tong sun, mansay tong wakan, mansay tong imagination ko wang right there. So we have to imagine the future that you want to live. Create that future. Don't wait. Tausiam people, I am told, Tausiam subdivision office, SDO office is not here. I do not know. Why? The boys are going to Tausiam. SDO office, how mark tung chanoy? Saluo. Tausiam, SDO how do no office matwa? Why? So create. Don't ask the DC to make. Let Tausiam subdivision people gather one, build one house and call it SDO office. Then SDO will come and work here. So, Madam Running, you are the only politician sitting here today. Your responsibility to create Tausiam's SDO office. Today, we are celebrating 75 years of all Zhelengrong Student Union Organization history. Professor, sorry, I forgot to acknowledge, sir. Professor Matthew, the themed exposition speaker, has already enlightened us and highlighted us about how this Zhelengrong Student Union began in Kohima many years ago. I'm not here to narrate that story again, but I want to tell you that we stand not only on a milestone of time called 75 years Platinum Jubilee, but we are leaving a legacy of courage, unity, and shared destiny of Zhelengrong people. Today, we are celebrating 75 years of Zhelengrong Student Union. Not only the time milestone, but we are living the legacy of the courage of our former leaders, the symbols of the unity of Zhelengrong people, and also a shared destiny. This is the time to showcase that Zhelengrong people has one vision, one future. Let Manipur state divide us. Let Nagaland state boundary divide us. Let Assam